All right, here I'm going to graph both these inequalities and see where they overlap. So first I need to get into y equals mx plus b form so I can graph them. So here I'm going to subtract my 2x. Therefore I get y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So at positive 4 I'm going to put my first dot. My slope is negative 2. You can think of it negative 2 over 1. So down 2 to the right 1. Connect it with a solid line because it is less than or equal to, and where my y is less than or equal to is below the line. Okay, my second one, I'm going to get x by itself, so I'm going to add the 1 to the other side. So I get x is greater than 1. Okay, so going through the x-axis at 1, I'm going to use a dashed line. So it's not equal to. Looking at my x-axis this time. So where x is greater is going to be to the right. Therefore, where they both overlap, which is what they're looking for, would be in this little area here. Okay, the second one here, we're graphing all three. So we need to first get this y by itself, so I'm going to add the x to both sides. So I get 3y is less than or equal to x plus 4. And then I'm going to divide everything by 3. So I get y is less than or equal to 1/3 x plus 4/3. So 4/3 is about 1 1/3. So 1 1/3, just a little past 1 there. My slope is 1/3, so up 1 to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. Since it's equal to, I'm going to use my solid line. And it says where y is less than or equal to, so it's going to go below my line here. Okay, next here, I'm going to do the same thing, so I need to subtract my 4x. So I get y is greater than or equal to negative 4x plus 6. So at 6, I'm going to put my dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my slope is negative 4. So down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right 1. I'm going to use a solid line. And it says where y is greater. So where it's greater is going to be to the right of the line. And then my last one here, y is greater than 0. So going through the y-axis, at 0, I'm using a solid line. It's actually right on your x-axis here. Where my y is greater would be up. So where they all three intersect is what they're looking for, which would be in this little area located there.